Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own ring light for under $20. Keep watching. For your ring light, you will need a cardboard, flower wreath, tape and scissors, wax paper, aluminum foil, lights, and zip ties. Next, you will measure out the cardboard with your wreath. Make sure you trace the outside and inside so you know where to cut. Next, you will need to cut out your cardboard with your scissors. Make sure you poke a hole in the middle so you can cut out the inside also. Next, you will need to place the aluminum foil on the cardboard. Make sure it's covered completely. Next, you will need to connect the light to the flower wreath with the zip ties. Start from the outside until you get to the inside. Make sure you cut off the remaining of the zip ties. Okay, next you will need to place the lights over top of the aluminum foil and connect it with the zip ties. Last but not least, we will cover the lights with the wax paper. This is the last wax paper I will attach to the lights, and then we will see how the light work. Thank you for watching, you guys. Please comment and like. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.